Welcome to Australia Immigration News. Join our WhatsApp group for latest updates on Australia immigration. Link is given in description. Today, we're talking about how you can move to Australia in November 2023 as a permanent resident with your family. This is a great opportunity for people who are looking to relocate to a beautiful, safe, and prosperous country. Eligibility requirements. To be eligible for a permanent visa to Australia, you must meet certain requirements. These requirements include having a skilled occupation, meeting the points test, being proficient in English, and having a health check. You can find more information about the eligibility requirements on the Australian government's website. Visa options. There are several different visa options available to people who want to move to Australia permanently. The most common visa option is the Skilled Independent Visa, subclass 189. This visa is for people who have a skilled occupation that is in demand in Australia. Another option is the Skilled Sponsored Visa, subclass 190. This visa is for people who have been sponsored by an Australian employer. Finally, there is the Family Visa, subclass 186. This visa is for people who have family members who are already permanent residents or citizens of Australia. How to apply? The application process for a permanent visa to Australia can be complex. It is important to start the process early and to carefully follow the instructions. You can find more information about the application process on the Australian government's website. Moving to Australia is a big decision, but it can be a very rewarding one. If you are interested in moving to Australia permanently, I encourage you to do your research and to start the application process early. Here are some additional tips for moving to Australia with your family. Start planning early. The application process can take several months, so it's important to give yourself plenty of time. Gather all of the required documentation. This includes things like your passport, birth certificates, and English language test results. Get help from a qualified immigration lawyer. They can help you navigate the application process and ensure that you are meeting all of the requirements. Be prepared to pay the application fees. These fees can be significant, so it's important to factor them into your budget. Moving to Australia can be a daunting task, but it can also be an incredibly rewarding experience. By following these tips, you can make the process a little bit easier. Thank you for tuning in to this segment of Australia Immigration News.